Hello friends, this is your statistics lecture, chapter number 4, dispersion, exercise and multiple type question, section A. For the following multiple choice question, choose the correct option. From the following, which is the formula of coefficient of range? The formula of range equal to xh minus xl, and formula of coefficient of range equal to xh minus xl upon xh plus xl. Xh means higher frequency, xl means lowest frequency. In which measure of dispersion the absolute difference of the observation and is mean absolute value of its difference of observation and is mean. तो mean किसमें कंसिडर होता है? मीन डेविएशन, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, रेंज एंड क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन. So the answer is mean deviation. Which of the following measure is unit free from measure? Means absolute value. Mean deviation has measure, quartile deviation has measure, range has measure, but coefficient of variation has no measure. It is free from measure. Which measure of dispersion is least affected by the extreme values of the observation? Extreme value means the starting and ending values. Range, standard deviation, quartile deviation and mean deviation, and the answer is quartile deviation. Why? Because quartile deviation affect Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Q3 is for 75% observation and Q1 is 25, and this is affected from the observation which are belonging to center. Okay, the coefficient of variation of group A is less than coefficient of variation of group B. Means coefficient of variation is A is less than coefficient of variation of group B. Which group is more consistent? I have told you that if the variation of any group is less, means it is more consistent. So in this case, group A is more consistent. Variation coefficient of variation is high, means inconsistency. Coefficient of variation is low, means more consistency. The weight for 10 students are 53, 47, 60, 55, 71, 65, 61, 68, 63 and 70. What is the range of data? Formula of range equal to xh minus xl. In this question, highest frequency is 71 minus lowest frequency is 47. So subtract 47 from 71, we get 24 kg. So option number C is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Okay. Next, if the first quartile and the third quartile of a data are 30 and 50, means Q1 is 30 and Q3 is 50, then what is the value of coefficient of quartile deviation? Coefficient of quartile deviation is QD, means Q3 minus Q1 upon 2 equal to 50 minus 30 divided by 2. Q1 equal to 30 and Q3 equal to 50. We have to find coefficient of quartile deviation equal to Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. Q3 is 50, Q1 30 upon Q350 plus 30. 20 divided by 80, and the answer is 0.25. Option A is the right answer. Next question. What is the value of any measure of dispersion for the observation? All the observations are 5. So dispersion is 0. Dispersion comes from the डेविएशन फ्रॉम द ऑब्जर्वेशन. उसमें जो डिफरेंसेस होते हैं उसमें से डिस्पर्सन आता है. बट इन दिस केस नो डिफरेंस इन एनी ऑब्जर्वेशन, सो डिस्पर्सन इज 0. नो डिफरेंसेस इन एनी ऑब्जर्वेशन, सो डिस्पर्सन इज 0. If mean of a variable is 10 and coefficient of variation is 60, what is the measure? What is the variance of the variable? Coefficient of variance equal to S upon x bar into 100. S represents standard deviation. S equal to standard deviation. X bar mean. Coefficient of variation is given as 60%. Equal to S, we have to find mean 10 into 100. Coefficient of variation is 60, S upon x bar. So this 10 goes into multiply and 100 into division. This 100 comes this side. S equal to 6. We have to find variance of this observation. Variance equal to S square equal to 6 square. So the answer is 36. Variance means square of standard deviation. Variance is the measure of square of standard deviation. Standard deviation is 6, so variance equal to 36. Question number 10. Suppose the standard deviation of the series K1, K2, K3, Kn is 5. What will be the standard deviation of the following series? We have two series, K1 plus 2, K2 plus 2, K3 plus 2, Kn plus 2. In all observation, only one common number is added in all observation 2. If any common number is added in any observation, standard deviation remain constant. जब किसी भी ऑब्जर्वेशन में कोई कॉमन नंबर ही ऐड किया जाए तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन पुराना जो होता है वही का वही होगा. सो इन फर्स्ट केस स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज 5. नंबर 2, 3K1, 3K2, 3K3, 3Kn. In this case 3 is multiplied with each and every observation. So we multiply 3 in standard deviation, so multiply, so standard deviation is 15. So C is the right answer. अच्छे सुन लो, जब किसी ऑब्जर्वेशन में कोई कांस्टेंट नंबर ऐड किया जाए, एक ही कॉमन नंबर सभी ऑब्जर्वेशन में ऐड किया जाए तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन वही का वही रहता है. और जब किसी नंबर में किसी ऑब्जर्वेशन में कोई कॉमन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो पुराने वाले स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन में वो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. The mean and standard deviation for a variable x are 5. 5 is mean and 2 is standard deviation. Now if y equal to 3x plus 4, then what are the mean and standard deviation? Mean equal to 5 and standard deviation equal to 2. So y equal to 3x plus 4. So when we find mean equal to 3 into 5 plus 4, 15 plus 4, mean equal to 19. And if you find standard deviation, equal to 3 into 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. So the C is the right answer. Mean becomes 19 and standard deviation is 10. The mean and standard deviation of a set of observation are 45 and 5. Mean is 45 and standard deviation is 5. If a constant 5 is added to each observation, एक सिंपल नंबर है 5, उसको सब में प्लस कर दिया जाता है, तो हमारा नया जो मीन हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा 45 प्लस 5 50. बट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट एंड इट इज 5. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन वही रहेगा 5. What is the coefficient of variation? So CV equal to S upon X bar into 100. S equal to 5, X bar 50 into 100. So the answer is 10%. 10% is the right answer. Okay, students? Page number 168. Question number 2, 3, 4. Question number 2, 3, 4 is your homework. Okay, students?